YouTube is currently deleting channels on this platform, and believe me when I say it is not looking good for any one of us. It is not looking good for any YouTuber right now until YouTube has, finished this sanitation, because channels are getting deleted by the day, by the minute. And in this video, I will be revealing why YouTube is doing this sanitation and the things you need to do to keep staying on YouTube so that your channel will not be deleted. So this is why you have to watch this video from the beginning till the end, because I will be sharing some very important information. We are going to learn the 7 things you need to avoid in order not to get your channel banned on YouTube, the difference between copyright strikes and community strikes, and those things you need to keep doing for YouTube to keep your channel, those things you need to do to avoid getting banned on YouTube. So without wasting your time, let us dive right into the video. But before we get into all of that, please ensure you give this video a thumbs up, drop your opinion in the comment section, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos going forward. Thank you. Now let's get into it. Why is YouTube deleting people's channels? Well, the answer is simple. It is the dream of every organization, every platform, to make sure that their users are safe, very safe enough to use their products without any problem. And when a platform is polluted with bad people trying to scam their users, it is going to cause the owners of the platform to do a sanitation. And this is why YouTube is deleting channels that has violated the YouTube community guidelines, channels that have done things that they're not supposed to be doing on YouTube. So in this video, I'll be listing those things for us to avoid it. And if you have done it, you get the opportunity to go and delete it immediately. So we start wasting your time, let us start. So what are these things that could get your channel deleted from YouTube? We are going to be looking into 7 different things that could get your channel deleted from YouTube, and I will need you to pay attention and watch this video from the beginning till the end so that you don't miss out on any of this. It is very important. Number 1, please avoid copyrighted contents. Any content you have no legal right to use, please avoid it like a plague. Contents from big organizations like DSTV, all these big companies, entertainment company, Nollywood movies, all those things, please do not take their content and post on YouTube, because once they find out, they are going to strike your channel. You might get a warning for that. Sometimes you might not even get any warning. You will just see that your channel has been deleted. The next thing you're going to see on your screen is that your channel has been deleted, an email from YouTube telling you that. So please avoid copyrighted content. If you must use a copyrighted content, make sure you obtain a right to make use of it. That way, YouTube is going to recognize you as somebody who is somebody who has the right to make use of that content. So yeah, that is number 1. Number 2, please ensure you know the community guidelines that is on YouTube. If you don't know about YouTube community guidelines, I am going to encourage you to do something now. Go to YouTube and type YouTube community guidelines. Go through it. I mean, it is not long. It is not as long as other platforms like Facebook and the rest. Just go through it and read it one by one. You understand what I mean. Please, it is very important. Once you violate these community guidelines on YouTube, they are going to give you a community strike. Do you understand? I am going to explain the difference between community strike and copyright strike, towards the end of this video. So you need to stay till the end so that you don't miss out on this. I have also gotten a community guideline before on this particular channel, and they gave me my first 1 strike. So if I get 2 more strike now, this channel is gone. So what they are going to do is, once you get a community strike, you are going to go through some training, and they will keep your channel on hold for 90 days and you will keep posting. Your channel will be monitored. So within that 90 days, if you don't get any violation, you will continue posting. You will not delete your channel. But within that 90 days, if you violate anything, your channel is gone. So please make sure you know the YouTube community guidelines, so that whenever you post something, you won't post anything that goes against YouTube community guidelines. So that is number 2. Number 3 is, please avoid posting misinformation, especially if you are in the entertainment niche. In fact, any niche at all that you are, make sure that whatever you are posting on this platform is 100% legit. If you are on the entertainment niche, make sure that your news has sources to it. Make sure that you're 100% sure of what you're posting, that even if YouTube flag your content for anything like that, you will be able to appeal it and back it up. Especially for those of us in this make money niche now. Please, all this make $1,000 in 5 minutes without doing anything, these are bogus claims. YouTube is going to flag it as misinformation. So please, whatever you do, make sure you don't lay these bogus claims on YouTube, because if YouTube finds out that you are using this platform to misinform people, post things that are not true, your channel is going to get banned immediately. Like I posted on my channel, there's one of my channel that got banned because of this. Like they deleted it permanently. I appealed it and they said no, that they will not give me back my channel. And trust me, I was very close to monetization on that channel. So please, if you are doing anything like this, you need to stop it and go to your channel and delete any content that looks like this. Make sure that anything you are posting is 100% true. If it's about making money online, make sure it is legit. Make sure it is a company or a platform that won't get you into trouble, because this kind of content, you won't even get any community strike or any warning. It is straight deletion of your channel. Number 4 is external links. External links are those links you put under the description of your post. Like when you post something on YouTube, you will now go ahead and add links, maybe links to a particular thing you talked about, maybe links to a particular product you talked about in that video. Please make sure that whatever link you are putting on that particular post is genuine. Very, very important, because if it's not genuine, YouTube is going to delete your channel. That's one. You think that you are trying to get viewers from their platform to go and invest in a platform that is going to scam them. It is very important. This one too is in their community guideline. So this is why you have to go through that YouTube community guidelines one by one. Please do not post any link like that, because it is going to put you in trouble, and all your hard work on YouTube is going to go like that. Number 5 is graphic content. When I say graphic content, I mean content where somebody is being harmed, some content where somebody is naked, nudity. It is frowned on YouTube. Please avoid those kind of contents. Anything that looks like pornographic content, even you that is actually shooting a video, make sure that your sensitive part of your body are covered up. Cover your chest. This is especially for those ladies in vlogging niche, where you are showing off how you are going about your day. Please ensure that you censor most of the things, especially when you are dressing up, all those things, because when YouTube see those things, they are going to think you are bringing pornographic contents into their platform, and that could get you deleted. Number 6 is spamming. Please, whatever you do on this platform, do not spam anybody's comment section. I do see some small YouTubers who are still trying to grow, going to comment section, commenting, sub for sub, all those things. Please avoid it, because when YouTube gets hold of your channel, they are going to delete it. They are going to delete that comment. Sometimes they will delete that comment and send you a warning that you are spamming the platform. Depending on how grievous the comment you made, they are going to delete it and send you a warning. Sometimes they will delete your comments and also delete your YouTube channel along without warning, depending on how big, how deep your offense is. So please avoid replying multiple times to your comments on YouTube. I heard there is somebody that replied like 200 times to their own comments. Like, I saw that and I'm like, what? How is this possible? Like, you replied to your own comments over 200 times because you want to increase comments on your post. You want to increase engagement. Please, I don't know. It doesn't work that way. Allow this comment to come to you organically. I mean, YouTube is taking note of what you are doing. As long as you are consistent, people enjoy your content, you will definitely get noticed and your channel is going to grow. So please, let's avoid spamming, and trust me, you'll be good to go. Number 7 is misleading thumbnails. Please, no matter what you do on this platform, do not mislead people with your thumbnails, because YouTube is going to suspect you are trying to scam your viewers and they are going to delete your channel. Misleading thumbnails is when you post about how to make honey from home, and in that particular video, what you actually did is how to make soya bean oil. You can see they are not the same thing. Now you are misleading your audience. So misleading thumbnails is going to get you into trouble. Make sure that the thumbnail you are using on a particular video is the same as the content of the video. That way you are not going to get into trouble with YouTube. It is very, very important. Thumbnails, because your thumbnail is what people see before they click on your video. And imagine when you mislead them and they click it and it is not what they intended to see. They are even going to get angry and report your post to YouTube. And trust me, YouTube does not play with anything from their viewers. If a viewer reports your contents to YouTube, they are going to take it into action. And if it comes out that your channel is actually doing what they complained of, they are going to ban you immediately without thinking, because like they always say, customers are always right. So they're not going to play with anybody who comes to them with a complaint about a particular creator or something like that. So please make sure that whatever thumbnail you are using for your video is the right one. No misleading thumbnail. Very important. So now I'm going to talk about the difference between community strike and copyright strike in the next phase of this video, and I'll also be giving you a few tips on how to avoid getting into trouble. What is the difference between community strike and copyright strike? Community strike is when you violate YouTube community guidelines. YouTube is going to send you a message like a warning, and in that warning you are going to undergo some training. In that training, YouTube is trying to see if you actually know the community guidelines, like on certain things. Let me say you posted something about, slight nudity like this, you flashed something like let me say nudity in your content, and then YouTube flagged you and deleted it. So you're going to go through some training. They will try to know if you have a knowledge of those community guidelines. Once you pass it, they are going to put your channel on 90 days, should I say probation. Within that 19 days, they're going to monitor your content to see if you have actually learned from your mistake. And within those 90 days, if you make any mistake and violate community guidelines again, they're going to delete your channel. And you're going to get community strike 3 times before YouTube finally deletes your channel. So if you get something like that, please ensure that you are doing the right thing on YouTube. Now, copyright strike is the like a legal strike. Let me say, for example, somebody made a content. Let me say, like a Nollywood movie channel. You went there and you lifted their content without any permission from them. They are going to strike your channel. In fact, it can even get your channel deleted immediately depending on whose content it is. So please avoid copyright content. Sometimes they might just want you to pay for that content, then they're going to give YouTube the right to give you permission to use that content. And sometimes they will just ask you to delete it immediately and everything is fine. Now, what are the things you need to do to stay safe on YouTube? It is very important that for you to stay on YouTube, you should follow the YouTube community guidelines. Avoid doing things that is going to get you into trouble. Go on Google, search for the YouTube community guidelines, go through it one by one, read everything, know what is allowed on this platform and what not is allowed. That's where I think if you know the YouTube community guidelines, you have solved like 100, let me say like 90% of your problem. And that way you won't be able to go into any problem with YouTube. Another one is, please go through your channel right now and check if you have violated YouTube community guideline, because this sanitation is still ongoing. I have checked mine and so far I feel like I am good, so check your contents. All those ones that looks like you have violated YouTube community guidelines, delete them one by one so that you'll be safe. And yeah, that will be it for this video, and please thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.